Tammy Slaton, the well-known star of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again reached out to her fans in a heartfelt way, this time revealing that her family has suffered a painful loss. The reality personality, who has been very open about her personal struggles with health, relationships, and weight loss, shocked her supporters when she went online to ask for prayers after a tragic death in her family. For someone who has lived much of her life in the public eye, moments of grief and heartbreak take on an even heavier weight, and Tammy's emotional plea has left many fans rallying to support her during one of the hardest times of her life. The death of a family member has brought fresh pain into Tammy's life, and her followers immediately expressed sympathy and love. The Slaton family has already been through so much, as viewers have witnessed across the seasons of the show. From health scares to emotional battles, Tammy and her sister Amy have often turned to one another and leaned on their loyal fan base for strength. But this latest tragedy appears to have shaken Tammy in a very deep and personal way, one that has left her clinging to her faith in the comfort of those who care for her. Reality television might give audiences a raw, unfiltered look at the lives of stars like Tammy, but nothing can truly capture the heaviness of losing a loved one. Family is the backbone of everything in Tammy's life, and when death strikes, it forces her to confront her vulnerabilities in front of the very fans who have followed her journey since the show first aired. The heartbreaking news came when Tammy went public with her emotional message. She asked her followers for prayers, and in doing so she reminded everyone that behind the TV cameras and viral TikTok videos is a woman who is still navigating real-life struggles. Fans flooded her comment sections with words of encouragement, lifting her up with promises of prayer, kind words, and even personal stories of loss. This connection between reality stars and their audiences is powerful, and in Tammy's case, it has given her a strong support system that stretches across the globe. For Tammy, family has always been both a blessing and a source of stress. The Slaton siblings, including her sister Amy and others, have often clashed on screen as they each dealt with their own hardships, but they have also shown a deep bond that nothing can truly break. The news of a death within the family not only brings sadness but also pulls them closer together. Tammy's choice to publicly share this grief proves her authenticity as someone who does not shy away from showing vulnerability, even when it comes to deeply personal matters. Losing a family member is devastating in any context, but for Tammy, who has already lived through multiple health crises, hospital stays, and even near-death experiences, this pain seems to strike even deeper. It is a sobering reminder that no matter how much progress she makes in her health journey, life's challenges still find their way into her story. The loss also comes at a time when Tammy has been experiencing significant changes in her life, from her remarkable weight loss transformation after bariatric surgery to the ups and downs in her relationships. Fans have seen her grow stronger physically and emotionally, yet grief is one area where strength often feels hard to find. Tammy's request for prayers shows her leaning on both faith and community to find peace in a storm that is out of her control. The reaction from her supporters has been overwhelming. Many people who follow her journey say they feel like part of the Slaton family themselves, having watched Tammy and Amy's lives unfold so openly. With every milestone, whether it was Tammy finally leaving rehab, Amy welcoming her children, or Tammy sharing her milestones on TikTok, fans have been there, cheering them on. Now, in this time of sorrow, those same fans are stepping up to comfort Tammy. Social media platforms quickly filled with messages like, "We are praying for you, Tammy," and "Stay strong, you are not alone." The outpouring of love shows just how deeply Tammy's story resonates with people who see her as more than just a reality star. What makes this loss even harder for Tammy is how much she has leaned on her family in recent years. With Amy balancing motherhood and her own challenges, and with Tammy still rebuilding her health, the Slaton siblings have had to rely on one another more than ever. Death within the family disrupts that foundation and forces everyone to adapt emotionally. Fans who have followed the family closely know how much these personal connections mean, and they can only imagine the pain Tammy must be going through. The story of Tammy Slaton has always been one of survival and resilience. She has endured bullying, medical emergencies, addiction struggles, and the scrutiny of reality TV. And yet, time and time again, she has managed to rise above Her plea for prayers is another example of her strength, not weakness, because it takes courage to admit when you are hurting. By sharing her heartbreak, she allows her fans to walk with her through one of life's darkest valleys. At its core, the story of 1000 LB Sisters has always been about more than weight loss. It has been about family, love, struggles, and the ability to keep moving forward even when life gets unbearably hard. The death in Tammy's family is a stark reminder of the fragility of life, but it also highlights the importance of leaning on others. For Tammy, faith plays a central role in her ability to cope. Her words asking for prayers reveal a deep belief that collective positivity, spiritual support, and emotional connection can help her heal. The Slayton family, already so familiar with cameras capturing their most vulnerable moments, is now processing a loss that is both private and public. It is unclear at this point who exactly in Tammy's family has passed, as she has not shared every detail publicly. Why? Out of respect for her privacy, many fans have chosen to focus less on the specifics and more on sending love. Still, speculation online has been widespread, as followers try to piece together clues from Tammy's posts and recent activity. Regardless of the details, one thing is certain, Tammy is grieving deeply. What happens next for Tammy and her family will likely unfold both on social media and, in time, on future episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. The reality show has never shied away from documenting major life events, even tragic ones. Fans may eventually see how Tammy and her loved ones navigate this heartbreaking chapter, but for now, the focus remains on healing. For viewers who have been inspired by Tammy's weight loss success, her battle with health, and her courage to face criticism head-on, this is another chance to support her in a meaningful way. It is moments like these that remind audiences that reality TV stars are real people with real pain, and Tammy's openness gives fans the chance to give back some of the love she has received over the years. As Tammy continues to grieve, she will likely lean on her sister Amy, who has also been vocal about how much family means to her. The sisters have not always had a smooth relationship, but in times of sorrow, they are each other's greatest sources of strength. Amy, already a mother of two, understands the importance of holding family close, and she will no doubt do everything she can to comfort Tammy during this dark time. For now, Tammy's story is one of heartbreak and resilience. She has asked for prayers, and her fans have responded with overwhelming love. In a world that often focuses on drama and scandal, this moment is a raw reminder of human fragility. Tammy Slayton may be a reality TV personality, but she is also a daughter, a sister, and a grieving family member trying to find her way forward. The road ahead will not be easy, but with the prayers of fans and the support of loved ones, Tammy is not walking it alone. In the end, Tammy's plea for prayers after the death in her family is about more than one tragedy. It is about the reminder that life is unpredictable, family is everything, and grief is something we all must face. By sharing her pain, Tammy has once again proven her authenticity, her bravery, and her ability to connect with people on the most human level. Whether fans have followed her since season 1 or just recently discovered her TikTok, they now stand united in support of a woman who has given them so much of herself. Tammy Slayton's journey has been filled with ups and downs, but through it all, she has shown resilience that inspires many. As she mourns this heartbreaking loss, the world watches with compassion, sending thoughts, love, and prayers her way. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.